Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nita. Welcome to Nita Project, and I know it's been a really long time since I've posted another video since last year. I know my last video was on the donut wall. A lot has happened since last year, and the good news is I had a little baby boy last year in November, so that's why there hasn't been any videos after that one. And he is the love of my life. He keeps me so busy that I have not had a chance to even record anything for you guys. And I know you guys loved my donut wall video, and it was my first video, but I assure you I have many more videos to come. And my son's name is Adam, and he will be turning 1 this November. So I am going to be posting a bunch of videos on his birthday party decor, his birthday centerpieces, of course on a budget, and you know my favorite store, Dollar Tree. So I will be keeping you guys updated on that, and I also will be, showing you guys my makeup tutorial videos, like the basic makeup looks that I do and how I get ready. So I'll have a bunch of videos coming, and I promise you that I will be posting more. And I know there's only one video on my channel, but I have a lot more coming. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And I will be showing you many projects coming along the way. And if you guys have any suggestions, please leave me a comment asking for a great budgeted DIY. Like I think I read someone comment on my previous video stating they wanted me to do a grass wall, which I will be doing as soon as Adam's birthday decor is over. I will be posting the grass wall because I really do want to tackle that project soon too. But I'm so excited to share with you guys Adam's birthday stuff, and it is a really cool theme. It is going to be so much fun, and he is about to be 1, and the theme is Hot Wheels. So Hot Wheels, my husband came up with that idea, and I personally really like it because it's very unique. It's from our era, and well, I think they're actually a little older, but I know that I grew up with it, and my husband grew up with it, and he just loves Hot Wheels. Unfortunately, it is a little difficult to find things on Hot Wheels because of the movie Cars, the Disney movie Cars. They kind of have taken over the internet with anything that has anything related to cars for kids. So unfortunately, it is going to be a little bit tough, but I got this. We can work this out. So you guys are going to see a bunch of videos on his birthday. I'm also going to take you guys to the venue and show you, how we're going to set up and where we're doing it. So, so excited, so much to look forward to. And I promise to post videos. You'll see my son in the background anytime I'm working on something. So I can't wait to share with you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.